This technique is called Pokpo Take in Quechuan, and it was developed by Don Andres Espinosa from the Incari lineage on the Caro side, and it's part of the Chalpi work, the middle path in the Andean mystical tradition. Hello, and I'm here to share a practice which is connecting our three main centres, our Cosco, our Sonko and our Canchis, with another nature being, and exchanging our finest energies, our Sami, with that being. And in this case I've chosen this beautiful ash tree behind me. And so I'm going to just talk you through the Sami Chakri, the Saira Chakri, the sacred exchange, so that we can clear our bubbles as much as we can. So around us, we all have a pokpo, or a bubble, an energy bubble. And we're going to just intend a flow of energy to come down from the heavens, from the highest centre of the universe. So just close your eyes, take a few nice deep breaths, and in your mind's eye connect to a place in the cosmos where you want to draw that Sami, that sweetness down from. And you're going to imagine it's like a shower of light coming over your bubble and into the earth. Allowing it to dissolve any heaviness, any hard energy that's on the outside of your bubble into the earth. And then I would like you to open your pokpo. So imagine there's a trapdoor at the top of your bubble. You're opening it and calling in that flow of light, that flow of Sami, that sweetness from the centre of the universe. So imagining that flow to fill up your bubble. So with the in-breath you're breathing in light, and the out-breath you're releasing any heaviness into the earth. So 3 nice deep breaths, filling up with light, releasing any hucha or heaviness. So we've given our heavy energy to the earth, we've brought down Sami, we've filled our bubble with light, and now we're going to send our finest energies to the earth, and she's going to give us her finest energies and send that all around our bubble. So I see it like green, translucent, rich, fertile energy. So take some nice breaths. Send your gratitude to Pachamama for holding you so sweetly. And in Aini, or reciprocity, she sends us her finest energies. And that merges with that beautiful Sami from the heavens. So we're balancing heaven and earth together. So that should feel more balanced and more grounded now. So I'm going to show you how to open the 3 centres, the Cosco, the Sonko and the Canchis. The Cosco is usually located just below your belly button, but you need to check with your own hand and your own inner sense where that energy centre is. This is the Inca energy system, so it's very different to the chakra system. So the Cosco is here, the Sonko is your heart centre, and the Canchis is your third eye. So to open your Cosco, you simply bring your hand to your belly and then you bring it out slightly like this. And that almost, I imagine it's like a camera filter opening when I do this. And then with the heart, the sonko opening. And the kanchis. So you could do this exercise with a person, another person, but I'm going to do this with a tree. So I have my beautiful ash tree here, and the first thing I'm going to do with my awareness is merge my bubble with the bubble of the tree. So obviously every natural being, every nature being has a bubble of its own. And so this tree has a huge energy field. And I'm just going to extend my bubble, my pokpo, to also be as big as the tree's pokpo. And that'll take me a couple of minutes to do. With my intention, I'm just expanding my bubble to greet the tree. And I'm getting a sense of the tree's energy. Usually it's very friendly. And then I'm opening my Costco and sharing my finest energies with the tree. I'm sending that energy into the tree's energy. And then I'm taking my hand and I'm opening my sonko and sending it my finest moon eye, my love and wisdom. And the same with my third eye, my kanchis. I'm opening that and I'm sending my finest yachai, or my intellect. And then I'm waiting, and I should get a response from the tree. Not always, but sometimes you get a response, and sometimes it's just immediate. So I've given yankai, which is my work, my will, from my Costco, moon eye from my heart, and yachai from my third eye. And I wait to receive the tree's finest energies back. Sometimes there's a message or a gift. So I'm just open to receiving that. I'm finishing the exercise just by imagining that my pokpo is coming back closer to my body, so my bubbles getting smaller, and then I'm closing those three centres. So I'm closing my Costco just by bringing my hand in, my sonko, and my kanchis. I'm thanking the tree for its wisdom and its support and its beautiful insights, always spot on. So like I said, you can do this also with a person. So if you were going to be doing this with another person, you would stand facing each other and you would merge your pokpos together. Maybe do the sacred exchange first so that you've got nice clean bubbles and that you've released your hucha, and then you can share your finest energies just as I showed you with the trees, by opening the three centres, sending your finest lankai, your work, your moon eye, and your yachai, your wisdom, and then exchanging that with each other. It's a really lovely thing to do if you are in a partnership and you aren't getting on very well. If you are in any kind of relationship and you need to bring that into balance, it's a really lovely way of helping your energy flow be very harmonious.